Go video. Here we are. We got this 1930 cast aluminum electric lawnmower. So I was driving down the road and past this. There was a couple of little things, some stuff over there that I picked up, and there was a bunch of old 30s, 40s eyeglass wear, and it was just the cases. I thought there would have been some glasses in there, but there wasn't any, so we grabbed this. It's all cast. Everything's cast. Even these wheels are cast. So I saw some comps on this on First Dibs, and it's at about $3,400 they're asking for it. I don't think it's probably worth that much, but it could be. I can't really find any auctions on it or solds really. You can just find that First Dib ad, but this thing's super cool. So it's broken right here, but could easily be fixed. Basic 2 bolts to get rid of that 6-inch part there. I think there was like some kind of solenoid right here or something that bolted on here. There wasn't anything on the ground, so it is what it is, and I got what I got. So I'm gonna try and list this. I'm gonna start it in an auction. I think I'm gonna start it in an auction. I'm gonna have to think about that for a little while, and the best way to find the value of this to get top dollar too at the same time. So I was thinking probably like 1,000 started off at in an auction, or I could just list it at like, I don't know, $2,000 I guess, and just see what happened for a couple days. But it's nice. It's definitely interesting. I seen someone else asking about it in a forum. And they said it was at least worth $250, and I would think that's a really good assessment. At least $250. This could be a very early, maybe the earliest in this area of a electric lawnmower. But I didn't really dig too far into investigating about it, because I didn't really find any numbers, but now I have some numbers on here. It is a Pioneer. It is a Pioneer Louisville electric mower. There's no rating on the RPM. It's a 4 amp, 115 volt. Pioneer trademark. Getting crud on it. Getting some crud on it, but there's probably already some crud on it, so pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Maybe I'll turn on the video when I'm taking some photos. All right.